Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting a Huawei Fit watch to an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing you need to do is download the Huawei Health app to your iPhone. Open the app and tap Devices at the bottom of the homepage. You may have to create a Huawei account to continue. Create an account and then tap Add. Choose Smartwatch. Then choose Huawei Fit series. Choose your watch's name from the list of devices. Tap the tick that appears on your watch. Tap Pair on the pop-up that appears on your phone. You will now have to allow or disallow all of the permissions. Tap Done. Your watch is now paired with your iPhone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.